Hello, ladies and gentlemen. This is Mr. Pringle with Chapter 6, Lesson 4. It's problem solving on making a model. You are going to need a pencil before you get started today, so make sure you have a pencil and your book, and we're going to be open to page 347. If you don't have those two things yet, I will wait while you get those ready. Go ahead and hit pause, gather your materials. Alright, this says, learn the strategy. Anne's class bought 4 boxes of peaches at the orchard. There are 128 peaches in all. Each box has the same number of peaches. How many are in each box? What facts do you know? Well, I know that there are 128 peaches, and I know they need to be divided evenly into 4 boxes. So, what do I need to find? I need to find the number of peaches in each box. If you need to hit pause today to catch up on the writing, feel free to do that. It says, plan. I will use base 10 blocks to model 128 divided by 4. And this is the keyword today. We're going to model it. We're going to draw some pictures. So model 128, divide the 10s into 4 equal groups. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. That's the 120. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There's the 8. That makes 128. So I did it into 4 equal groups. Well, I didn't. The book did it. So if I look at my equal groups, I have 10, 20, 30, 1, 2. So each box has 32. I can check by using repeated addition. 32 plus 32 plus 32 plus 32 equals 128. Now, I'm going to make note right here. It says, since the 100 cannot be divided into 4 groups, they traded 100 for 10 tens right there. They took the 100 apart. So that's how they got their 12 tens. Let's go look at the example on the next page. It says practice the strategy. Caleb's family spent $420 on their road trip. Their road trip was 4 days long. If they spent the same amount of money on each day, how much did they spend each day? Well, what facts do I know? I know they spent $420 on the road trip, and I know the road trip was 4 days, and I need to find out how much did they spend each day. And my plan is going to be to make a model. Alright, so drawing a picture. Base 10 blocks for this problem would be 4 hundreds, 402 tens. 100, 200, 300, 410, 420. Okay, but I am dividing the 420 into 4 groups. So in my 4 groups, I can place 100 there, 100 there, 100 there, and 100 there. I cannot take the 2 tens and divide them into the 4 groups. So what I'm going to do is take the 2 tens and make them into 21s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. And then just like we did yesterday, I am going to place the ones into my 4 groups. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay, so I would find out that I have 105 in each group. So 420 is going to give me $105 each day. Another option for drawing this picture, and you don't have to draw two pictures, would be to break up all of the hundreds into tens. So I have, these are going to be tens. I'm going to have 42 tens, or 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120, 130, 140, 150, 160, 170, 180, 190, 200, 210, 220, 230, 240, 250, 260, 270, 280, 290, 300, 310, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 400, 410, 420. There are all my tens, and I am going to break those up into groups of 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I have 10 groups of 10. So that's 100. But I still have these two tens down here. I need to do the same thing I did up there. Take the two tens into and make them ones. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, and then break those up into groups of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then, what happened here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I made an extra one. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I have 5 groups of 4 there. So that's 5. I'm going to add that 5 on and get 105. This is a lot of drawing to solve one little problem. So good thing I am going to teach you how to divide a different way starting very soon. So you're going to come up here with number 1. Casey's mom is the baseball coach for his team. He spent $150 on baseball. Each baseball cost $5. How many baseballs did she buy? Now, I want you to do number 1 before we meet, and I want you to think about it. Use your strategies. Maybe you're going to draw a picture. Maybe you're going to use your fact family, something else you used before, but I want you to think through this problem. I know I have not taught you how to do 150 divided by 5 with long division yet, and that's the point of this lesson. I want you to use your strategies to come up with the correct answers and find a way to check it to make sure that you're correct. Okay? Little hint. Number 2 is going to give you a remainder. Okay? Another little hint is when we get to number 4, which won't be yet. There is already a remainder there. So get number 1 done, give that a shot, and then we will start talking together at number 4. Good luck. See you soon.